Jamaica's sprinting dominance is back in full force as the Jamaican men's 4x100 meter relay team secured a World Championship spot at the London Athletics meet. After narrowly missing out on qualification, the Jamaican team led by Rohan Watson, Oblique Seville, Kadrian Goldson and Kishane Thompson powered through to a season's best of 37.80 seconds, stunning fans and securing their place at the Tokyo World Championships. But this wasn't just a victory, it was a strategic comeback after a tense season. In this video, let's break down how the team fought against the odds to qualify, analyze their performance at the London meet, and discuss what to expect when they face off for gold in Tokyo. Let's get right into it. Jamaica proved its athletes can overcome challenges after failing to qualify for the Tokyo World Championship men's 4x100 meter relay at the World Relays. This left fans uncertain as the team worked to secure a spot in the top 16 for a chance at gold in Tokyo. The Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association (JAAA) decided to put together relay teams for the Barbados Grand Prix, London Athletics meet, and the North American, Central American and Caribbean Athletic Association (NACA) Games. The first opportunity was at the Barbados Grand Prix, where the quartet of Buaji and Krumi, Christopher Taylor, O'Dane McPherson, and Kadrian Goldson aimed to run below the time of 38.20 seconds. However, despite running a strategic race and winning, the team fell below the time as they ran 38.46 seconds. Jamaica had to depend on their fast and more experienced athletes such as Rohan Watson, Oblique Seville, Kadrian Goldson, and Kishane Thompson to be in a relay pool for the London Athletics meet. This group of athletes was deemed as the most suitable ones to get the job done to qualify Jamaica for the 4x100 meter relay for the Tokyo World Championship. After much preparation and discussion, the team decided to compete at the London Athletics meet. Watson, Seville, Goldson and Thompson were eager to compete as this was their best chance to make it to the Tokyo World Championship. Even though the conditions were humid, the athletes gave it their best effort to run below 38.20 seconds or way faster. It was now time for the race, and the starter was operating on time as per usual. Rohan Watson got out of the blocks like a shotgun and kept going as he immediately passed the baton to Oblique Seville to run the second leg. Oblique Seville ran with a lot of fire as Kadrian Goldson got the baton in time as the Great Britain A team was right there with them. It was now over to Kishane Thompson on anchor, who ran an amazing leg to cross the line in 37.80 seconds, a season's best and a World Championship qualifier. The Great Britain A squad was second with 38.08 seconds, and the Netherlands placed third with 38.17 seconds. Fans were in a frenzy because Jamaica, which is one of the best relay teams, will now be at the Tokyo World Championship and be in medal contention come September. The Jamaican women's team of Shericka Jackson, Janelle Smith, Tina Clayton, and Briana Williams ran 42.50 seconds to place second in their equivalent. The race was won by the Great Britain quartet of Dina Asher-Smith, Amy Hunt, Desiree Henry, and Daryl Nita in a world-leading time of 41.69 seconds. This year's edition of the 4x100 meter relays at the London Athletics meet was quite exciting, and there should be more for fans to be excited about in the relays at the Tokyo World Championships. Jamaica's relay team has shown true resilience, turning a challenge into an opportunity. With their sights set on Tokyo, the journey to gold is just beginning. What do you think of Jamaica's comeback in the 4x100 meter relay? Do you believe they have what it takes to win gold in Tokyo? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Also, check out our video on the top performances at the Jamaica National Championship. If you enjoy this breakdown of Jamaica's incredible relay comeback, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting updates. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest videos. This is Caribbean Focus Sports. See you in the next video.